Kathleen. Today I introduce our pontoon boat. This boat is very beautiful color and two decks. You can have a look. Later I will show you the interior of this boat, detailed information of this pontoon boat. I'll turn. You can see this pontoon boat with a very beautiful yellow color. And this pontoon boat with 3 pontoons. You can have a look. It can move fast when driving on the ocean. And you can see the wedding. It's very beautiful. You can see the wedding. This is 8.8 meters, and as I was sliding, the baby like this sliding into the ocean. There's a fuel tank, add the fuel in there. The whole of this pontoon boat. The later I'll use 316 sailors. That's all. Good brand, and this with a grass floor. That's a shower. You can wash in when you're driving in the ocean. You can wash your body, and with a single toilet. Can have a look. This toilet, the shower, and the toilet. You can change the room, and with the windows, the light. It's very secret. And a sink. You can wash vegetable or some fruit, fish, and the cup holders. You add the water in there. There's a water tank. Add the water in there. You can see this with the sofa. The docking, and every sofa with the cup holders, and with a table. You can have a look table. And the captain sits here, driving this pontoon boat. The big bar. And let's have a look the second floor. It's very high. You can see that in the 2 floors have 2 sun bed, 2 sunrise bed. You can lay down here and have a rest, have a sleep, and with some beer, some drink in here. It's very comfortable. And this pontoon boat can load in about 22 passengers. And if you like swimming, you can slide in from here. Our factory main product the one floor pontoon boat. Some customer like to order the 2 double pontoon boat. They can order it from me. And if you want to know more other size of this pontoon boat, you can connect my email, my WhatsApp, and our main size the pontoon boat from 5.8 to 9 meters. And some customer like the double deck pontoon boat, you can call me, and we can customize for him. Okay, that's all the pontoon boat information. If you want to know more information, call my WhatsApp. I will type in my WhatsApp in the end of this video. Bye bye.